Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tackle an interesting algorithm, non-overlapping intervals, removing minimum number of intervals to make the rest non-overlapping. Let me quickly explain the problem. We are given a list of intervals like 1, 3, 2, 4 and 3, 5. Each interval has a start and end time. Our task is to remove minimum number of intervals so that the remaining intervals don't overlap. For example, with these intervals, we can remove 2, 4 to make the rest non-overlapping, which is 1, 3 and 3, 5. Let's dive into how we solve this problem efficiently. To solve this problem, we need to focus on two things: avoiding overlaps, and we have to avoid overlaps by removing minimum number of elements. The best way to achieve this is by sorting the intervals based on their end times. But why not start time? Because if we pick the interval with the earliest end time, it leaves most room for other intervals. But if we sort by start time, let's see an example: 1, 10, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. This is already sorted by start time. So if we go greedily and see, here we already got 1 and 10 interval. So these will be overlapping intervals. So we have to cancel them. But if we sort by end time, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 1, 10. So this is sorted by end time. Here 4 and 5, okay, possible. 6 less than 7, possible. 9 less than 1, not possible. So we have to remove this. That's why we have to sort by end time and traverse the sorted intervals and keep track the last interval that does not overlap with the current one. If there is an overlap, let's remove that interval. First, we sort by end time, then traverse the sorted intervals, traverse, keep track that previous one does not overlap with current one. If there is an overlap, count it as removal. Let's take an example. One, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 7, 8. So let's sort this by end times. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10. So here this will be previous end. This is curve start. Previous end is greater than curve start. So we have to remove this one. Removed plus plus, which should be 1. Then previous end will be same as because we are removing this. Then current start. Yes, this is current start is not less than previous end, so we can go further. This will become previous end. We can include this in the non-overlapping. And here current start not less than previous end, so it will become previous end. Here we go, current start not less than previous end, so this will become previous end. And here we go, current start, this is not less than previous end, so this will be previous end. The removed arrays will be only 1. So if we want to write this pseudocode, first we have to write compare for sorting. Static bool compare const pair int a comma pair int b. So what we have to do is return a of 1 less than b of 1. This will indicate end times. So after writing this in the main function, we have to write is sort of intervals dot begin comma intervals dot end comma come. Then it will sort by end times. After that, we have to traverse through the array for int. Before this, previous end is equals to intervals of